Turning now to the sticky legal situation former President Lee Myung-bak finds himself in. A court hearing set for this morning has been called off. The hearing was set to decide on whether to issue an arrest warrant for the ex-South Korean leader over more than 10 corruption charges. However, with the absence of Lee and his lawyers, the court will now make the decision by examining the legal documents provided by Lee's legal team and the prosecution. Let's turn to our Park Hee-jun, who's standing by at the Seoul Central District Court. So, Hee-jun, just walk us through what's happening.
Mark, the court has been reviewing the former president's documents since this morning. They decided to proceed without the hearing, which was scheduled for 10:30 a.m. this morning, after Lee Myung-bak made it very clear that he won't attend. But this hearing was supposed to be his last chance to defend himself prior to his potential arrest. There could be various reasons as to why he decided to give up on this opportunity. One could be that he's actually preparing for what's to come later, which is the actual trial. Prosecutors previously revealed that the former president was very surprised by the evidence they showed him during last week's interrogation. And if prosecutors had questioned him on more details he might have been unprepared for, he could have put himself at a disadvantage when it comes to the trial, which is a lot bigger than whether he's arrested or not. He could also be protesting a stance that the entire investigation is political revenge by the liberal Moon Jae-in administration. By refusing to appear, he could be showing that he's not going to bend to what he believes to be a witch hunt.
So, Hee-jun, they do seem like two reasonable explanations for his no-show. Then exactly how will things proceed during the examination?
Well, the court has chosen to decide on the arrest warrant without the hearing and instead by going over his interrogation records and evidence. Under usual circumstances, the arrest warrant is finalized after further questioning within the courtroom. But because the defendant is absent, the court will go over the documents and evidence submitted by the prosecutors and Lee Myung-bak's legal staff. There's no face-to-face interrogation, so the session could end earlier than expected. The decision on the arrest warrant could be finalized by as early as tonight or Friday morning, so it'll be a very nervous wait for the former president at his home in southern Seoul. Back to you, Mark.